Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. I'm Marlita Hinita from San Miguel, Bohol, Philippines. I'm 35 years old. I'm happy married, bless my family. I have 3 children, ages 12, 10, and 3 years old. My hobbies are cooking, joining, and singing. My work experience for 5 years for the Philippines housewife. I have 4 members of the family, including 2 children ages 8 and 4 years old. My duties are taking of the kids, preparing cooking meals, washing the dishes, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, grocery shopping, and many more. I also experience take care of the newborn baby, toddler, and children. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs. And savings our kids for the future. For the future of my employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, responsible, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I promise to all my duties or responsibilities. Thank you for looking forward, work for you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.